Alright, we are going to fix the hinges from the bathroom. Gotta clear everything out here, but yeah, so we're gonna clear the hinges. This is the old hinge I just took out. Oop, it's pretty dark here. Hold on a second, want some light. There. I took out the old hinges that were on there. These are the old hinges. You can tell they broke because look at that right there. See that? And the other one broke off, so you figure it's time to replace these things. We've had it for over 30 years since we bought the house. Since my dad bought the house, so this is what I'm gonna replace the hinges. Take these ones out, the old ones, because they're pretty much rusted and they're pretty much damaged. That's the old ones, and we are going to replace them. Okay, so I went to Home Depot and I got these brand new hinges. Hold on a second, I'm gonna go back here and yeah, so at Home Depot. Yeah, I got the hinges for like 15 bucks, $15.80 or something like that. Let me see the price. Home Depot, $15.80. Yeah, so and the instructions. So yeah, so these are pretty much their instructions there. You can just pause the video and just look at yourself. I'll try to focus it a little bit more. And if you are planning to change your hinges in your bathroom cupboards. Alright, so it's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty easy, so I've been doing this, fixing it do-it-yourself DIYs for a while now. Watching my brother Jonah's channel as well. He's doing a really good job in his DIYs, so you might want to check him out. Jonah DJ on YouTube. But right now we're gonna do and fix the hinges. Okay, and take out the old ones, put it aside. These are the new ones. Alright, so the new ones right here look like this. They're gonna go in there. So they're gonna look like that once I drill the screws on each side of the hinges. Okay, so this is pretty much it, and these are the screws, which I'll need a Phillip, and screw this baby in. Alright, this is the hinge that I'm gonna drill. Drill that baby in there. Let me see if you got it there first. Alright. 2. Next one. It's pretty easy. Alright. Alright, so now they're all drilled in. secure. Alright, that'll give you a nice wide shot. Okay, get that on focus. There you go, there's a nice shot. All screwed in. Now we just got to get ready to replace the other hinges right there. Oops, you get focus there. Take that one out. All right, we're gonna take this out. Make sure I get a nice angle here. One, two. I gotta focus down on the one on top. Bear with me, I gotta make sure I have all the, get a little close up right there. There we go. Get this baby on the roll. There we go. The old ones are now out. Alright. There, I gotta replace them with the new ones. These are the brand new ones. Okay. Okay, now we're going to insulate the mounting plate. You really don't want to make sure it's in the right position, because I screwed it up a couple times. So the trial and error, you know, like everything else, you got to try to fiddle with it and try to make it fit, so like a puzzle. This one with these little tiny hooks in between. I don't know if you can see it, but and it should lock in there. Okay. There. Whew. Took me a couple times, yep. Just like a glove, so that it mounts out like this to the door. Alright, and same goes to the other side as well too. Do exactly the same thing. Okay. Before you do, I forgot to explain for the first one, the second one too, just loosen up the bolts a little bit so that you'll be able to fit in. Okay, so do exactly the same thing as the first one. There we go. There. Whew. What a task, boy, I tell you. Okay. So now you got both sides all ready to get locked in. Okay. The one thing we have a little bit of an issue is the hinges here. It's a little bit too long. Okay, I'll show you. Alright, so there you go. See that? The hinges are too long, so I need another 1 or 2 inch right there. So I need another wood. Okay? And I'm not going to go all the way to Home Depot and get another one. It's ridiculous. So you gotta like use your imagination, compromise, and that's why I took a brush from with the brush. I'm gonna cut that piece out and drill it and have 2 inches to work with, so I can mount that so it'll fit in. So you know what I mean, you just gotta, like my dad said, work what you got, and do the best you can to make it fit no matter what you do, so you can save money. That's how it works. That's my dad's for ethics. So what I did is I just took the end piece scraper for the snow removal, and I'm just going to cut here. Pretty cheap, so now I got myself wood, and then I'll place it on here. Okay, see what I'm saying? Let's see if we got a better. There you go. So it'll fit like a glove. You know what I'm saying? There we go. That extra inch or two is gonna make it fit. It made a little bit more work, but it's okay because I don't feel like all the way to go Home Depot and change for another one. So you compromise and use your imagination. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Do what you gotta do. Okay, now we got our other piece of wood on it. I just drilled it here. Okay, put one screw there, one in the middle, one at the end. This will get easily sawed off. Okay, so don't worry about that. So when you have to use your imagination and work what you got, this is what we're working what we got. Okay, so it's screwed on pretty tight. I will saw that out as soon as I'm finished, and it should be good, and it should fit right there. There you go. See that, ladies and gentlemen? That's ingenuity. Use your imagination. Work what you got. And I'm just going to drill it. Alright, now I'm just drilling it. There you have it. Perfectly fit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so the hinges are now fixed top to bottom. I'll just worry about cutting and sodding it down, but right now it's fixed. Alright, I just went to Walmart, picked up one of these bimetal hacksaws, mini saw. Cost me about $7, but this is what you need to saw those that extra nails that's hanging outside the cupboard, which is this right here. Hold on a second. I need to get rid of these, so I'm gonna hack that baby and saw it right off, as well as the top and the one as well too. So okay, I'm gonna saw this baby. See if I can squeeze in here. That's all. This is working all the time. Woo! There you go. There you go. 2. Oh my god, that was a pain in the ass. Alright. 3rd and last one. Oh lord. Let's go. There we go. The cupboards are now finished. Believe. Okay. You just saved yourself over $150 to $200, depending who you contract to fix your cupboards. It only cost me 20 bucks for the hinges. My own labor. It's completely finished. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Forward to everyone you know if you want to see more DIYs, films, music, documentaries, as well as my podcast. And vlogging as well. You can also watch my brother's channel. Doing a DJ vlog as well. He's doing camping videos and stuff like that. So, you learn from the best. My dad, my brothers. And work what you got. Save some money.